Local niche selection using Google SERP, search volume, Google Maps and business reviews. Start by adding your top 5 areas of interests or passion and 5 top skills you own. Then click on Run. Once the results are ready, you will be able to check the analysis and the local niche offer it tailored for you, based on your areas of interests and passions, and based on your top 5 skills. It begins by generating a list of keywords for each one of the 5 areas of interest or passions. Then, thanks to our Google Search Volume data extender, we'll rank each keyword based on the monthly searches each one of them has. The higher the number, the more relevant the problem or desire is to the niche. Once the most important problem or pain has been identified, it will then go and analyze if you can actually offer a solution with your already existing top 5 skills. It will also do a cost-benefit analysis of current versus desired situation to find out what's costing to the buyer persona to stay where they are. Next, it will use the Google Maps data extender to see what the local niche participants are offering as a solution to the identified top problem. At the end, it will craft a unique offer to address market gaps and solve the target audience's top problem in your local area. For more information, visit promptmate.io.